Hi, this is Lane from Agri Drones, and today we're going to be doing a demonstrational video on how to take apart your spray lance on your T40. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your motor cover off here, which is 4 screws. One thing that we stress when doing this is these motor covers are extremely fragile. It's very easy to break them, so take your time when taking them off for sure. All right, once you got that off, put your screws in a nice safe place. So now we're exposed to both of the motors, your liquid lines, and your wiring harness for your spray lance. So the first thing that you're going to want to do in this area is you're going to want to disconnect your liquid lines. So you're going to need to loosen these nuts here on the liquid line. Sometimes they can be hard to get off. Alright, now that we got that taken off, go ahead and disconnect your liquid line here, like that. And then the next thing you want to do is pull your wiring harness out and disconnect that also. Just a simple clip. Alright, now you're going to need to disconnect this by unscrewing this top little nut here, and then you're going to want to carefully take that nut off, don't lose it, and pull your wiring harness and your liquid line down through the bottom like so. Now that exposes the whole lance. It's completely off now. Do not lose this O-ring right here. Put that in a safe place, and then you can also unscrew this plastic piece right here, and this top piece will also come off. Like that. Set that aside. Now you have even more exposure. So now we're going to want to take these 3 screws out on the top. And now your liquid line and your wiring harness will pull through this plastic boom here. Set that aside. Now we have our full liquid line. If you need to replace this is how you would do so. Disconnect that nut there, it'll come off. Or if you need to replace your harness, it also disconnects down here. So now we also have a better look at the spinner disc here. So what you're going to want to do here is hold on to the disc and take your wing nut off here. And unscrew your plastic nut also. Do not lose the spring that comes in there. Make sure you also have it facing the right way up for reassembly. And then your spinner disc will come off. Now we have the whole motor here. So if you need to take it apart further, there are 3 Phillips head screws on the side. We can take those out also. Don't lose those either. So now that we have our 3 screws out, we should just be able to pop this off. It might be a little challenging. Well, you might need to get something to pry it off a little bit. So let me go get that real quick. Just a small flathead screwdriver will probably do, but be careful not to mar it up too bad. If your T40 is brand new, you'll probably have to do this. If it's not and you've had it apart before, then this probably won't be as bad of a problem for you. Well, it's decided it's going to fight us. All right, so now that we've got our cap off, that's what that looks like with your liquid line still attached. And now that's basically what the top of the motor looks like. One thing to note whenever reassembling this, there is a little tiny prong right there that will sit down in that groove, so it will only go back together one way. And there also is a little tiny O-ring right there, so don't lose that if you take it apart this part. And other than that, I think that should cover everything, guys. If you have any questions, just give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks.